Hey, today I want to share with you an important little feature that ChatGPT has just put out, and that is concerning privacy. So a lot of times you want to use ChatGPT or any of these other chat models, and these large language models will actually take in your actual whole session content, inputs, etc., and then use it to train the model to improve it, right? And that's how this thing gets better over time. But many times you don't want that to happen. You are in a session that you want to keep everything private. You don't want to be giving it permission to use it for training. So let's head over to ChatGPT, and you'll see now that when you log in, at the top you can choose which model you're using. Currently, as of today's recording, ChatGPT 4.0 is available, 4 is available, 3.5 is available. Each one has it's a little nuances of pros and cons, but generally, if you have access to 4.0, you want to use that first. And then there's this new option called temporary chat. If you see this here, temporary chat, which allows you to then toggle something, and it says this chat won't appear in history, use or create memories, or be used to train our models. And they do say for safety purposes they may keep the copy up to 30 days. But that means that whatever you put into the chat now is not going to be used to train the model further. So it's basically a privacy option, and you can keep this on or you could turn it off. So there you have it, a new feature that is trying to address those concerns that users have, like you and me, especially if you're working with some sensitive information about your church or ministry or your constituents. You might want to use this temporary chat on-off toggle feature. Let me know how you like it, and we'll see you in the next video.